Hello, in front of me I've got RingConn 2. In this video I'll show you how to check stress data. In the beginning, let's go to RingConn app and go to Insights. Enter stress, and here you can check your stress index, latest HRVs, daily average HRVs, all-day stress index divided to early morning, morning, afternoon, evening. Next you can check your stress ratio, sleeping stress, stress summary. All of those informations you can check for each day of the month. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.